Hello, hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Filipino Explaining. Uh, uh, in this video, we are going to learn or to see or to discuss how we can make a people magnet. How can we make people to like us? How can we make people to feel to be close or near us? Are you getting? Or how can we make ourselves irresistible to people? So we shall look at several steps or several ways we can make or we can do that. Are you getting? We can do that. Okay. So if you're new to my channel, before I start explaining, if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit a bell notification. Thank you. So one of the ways to make yourself irresistible is to maintain a well-groomed, maintain a groomed Appearance is number one. Well-groomed appearance. Uh, uh, the topic is how to make a people magnet. A people magnet. To make a people magnet. So anyone's first impression is largely formed by how you present yourself. Number two is demonstrate an open, warm, and inviting physical presence. Stand erect with the shoulders back, maintain open palms and easygoing, welcoming posture, smile often, and establish good eye contact. You know, the best thing, the important, the essence of me coming up with this topic, you know, it helps everyone. It's of importance to everyone, and it benefit anyone or everyone. For example, if you are a pastor, maybe you are a business person, you are a student, you are everyone will enjoy and everyone will benefit if you follow what I'm saying keenly and closely and attentively. So number three, be how to breathe deeply. Regular deep breathing calms the mind while stimulating circulation. Number four, faster, be aware of your tone or the tone and timbre of your voice. It's not so much what you say as how you say it. Remember, I've said it's not so much what you say as how you say it. Is the timbre of your speech leisurely or is it rushed, jumpy, and fragmented? Is your tone of your voice soothing, calm, and confident? Or is it agitated or winning? Yeah. Number five. This touches so many. Don't dominate a conversation. Someone who shows a genuine interest in others is very appealing. Don't dominate a conversation. Listen so that another person or the other person can also talk. If you dominate a conversation, thinking or feeling like you are the one who is just supposed to talk, then people will not like you, of course. People will not like you. Number 6 is be careful not to criticize, judge, or lecture. Yeah. Remember, criticisms always activates defense, which means others will protect themselves by withdrawing. Yeah. Very interesting. Number 7, use reflective listening. Use reflective listening. Reflective listening. What is reflective listening? This is just a simple technique that involves paraphrasing back into the person what she has just said to you. Number 8. Use the word I like this. When discussing difficult topics with co-workers, family, or even friends, try beginning your sentences with I as opposed to the accusatory you. Accessory you. You should know I going. Number 9. Use phrases that instantly create goodwill. Words and phrases like please, thank you, and I'm sorry go a long way toward diffusing potentially explosive explosive encounters. Say, I'm sorry for doing this. Thank you. I appreciate. I'm grateful. So we shall stop at number 9. We have more others. From number 10, we shall continue in our next video. Please make sure you do subscribe for more so that we continue teaching and learning from one another. Thank you so much. Till next time. Bye bye.